Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today I am working on a power supply. So I decided to put it in this box. It's a 4x4x2. And this power supply is for that HobbyPCB amp that I've been working on. So what this is a Mean Well power supply that was recommended by the HobbyPCB folks. It's going to put out 48 volts and I have to wire it and house it and put a fan on it and heat sinks, whatever's necessary. More inspiring than what I'm doing with this power supply is what you can do with a power supply of your own. I've recently done a couple of projects where I made a custom battery supply for a QMX, and I made a custom battery supply for the TX500. And while I didn't create them in my own head, you can. All you need is a housing and a battery or a power supply, and you can make something custom for any application you want to. I've even taken a power supply and put it into the existing body of a radio for an accessory add-on application. Creativity is all you need. But if you take a look down in there, there are 6 pins. So I have the connector on order from Amazon. 3 of the pins, I'm not looking at the spec sheet right now, but 3 of the pins put out the 48 volt positive and 3 of the pins are negative. If you take a look over here on this side, there's a 2-pin connector, again on order from Amazon, that takes in the mains 120. Somewhere down in there, there it is right there, is a 12 volt pin, positive and negative, for the fan. So 6 pins put out the 48 volts. These 2 pins on this small connector put out the 12 volts. And these 2 pins over here, 120 volts in. So I have it raised. If you take a look down in there, you can see it's raised off. I drilled this myself. That's no big shakes, but it's raised off the bottom with standoffs on all 4 sides. I guess you can see it better from this side. So that's what I'm working on today. I will drill the top appropriately for the fan that's going to be powered from that small 2-pin connector. Wish me luck, guys. I have the amp up and running, and I have a video about that that's going to come out soon. Thanks for stopping by.